a few accumulated boxes that I like to open and show you what I got, because I'm gonna be reviewing those products in the near future. I have fragrance and I also have makeup. Let's do the makeup first. Let's open the first package from Sisley. I ordered this from Sisley because they were having a 20% or 25. I think it was 20% discount on a website. On their website, this was probably a week or 2 weeks ago. And I ordered this eye concealer. The Sisley concealer is one of my favorites. And I ordered a new to me product that is called Instant Radiance Booster Pen. These are the two products I ordered from them, because the concealer is my favorite and the pen I wanna try it. And also they added a few samples. Let's see what is in here. It's only 2 samples. Is a revitalizing volumizing shampoo, and this is the Instant Glow Primer. This is the eye concealer, and this concealer is one of my favorites for the 3rd time. I think it's the 3rd time I'm saying that. This is the number or the shade 1. And this comes with the applicator. This is the brush applicator for the concealer. I love it because it doesn't crease and it looks very natural under my eye area. When I apply it, it looks very, very natural, and I apply it to prime my eyes before eyeshadow, and I also apply it, of course, to cover my dark area on under my eye. And this is one of my favorite. I do recommend this. I do recommend this especially for women over 40. Anyone can wear it because young people can wear almost anything. So this concealer comes with the concealer brush, and that's it. Let me show you the other product. This product is new to me. It's a Instant Radiance Booster Pen, and also in the shade number 1. This is called Stylo Lumiere in the shade 1 Pearly Rose. It says the key action is that this pen brightens and blurs. Stylo Lumiere is a highlighter pen that boosts the complexion's radiance. In the application, it says that twist the base to infuse. I'm not gonna twist it today because I'm not going to use it today. It said you have to twist it here from the bottom and twist the base to infuse the cushion with the product, then apply to areas for brightening, then blend with a light tapping motion. It can be applied alone on bare skin before foundation to visibly smooth wrinkles and fine lines, and to refresh, and after foundation to brighten shadow areas. Shadow areas like here, I really need it right here. And also I really need it under my eyes. And that's all I can tell you right now. I'm gonna do another video featuring this product so I can also try it myself, because I really very curious to know how it works. Let's go to the next box. Well, I had this fragrance in my wish list for years now, since I saw it as a Neiman Marcus store and I smell it. I don't know if it's discontinued, but I didn't see it in their website, and it's a little hard to find it. And it is my Cuir Noir from the Armani Privé collection from Armani. I'm gonna read you a little bit about the description of this fragrance from the Sackfit Avenue website since I bought it from them. This fragrance, Cuir Noir, is from the collection De Mille et Une Nuits. A tribute to the legendary tale 1001 Nights, inspired by the splendors of the Orient. This is an Oriental fragrance, and that's one of the things I ordered it. Cuir Noir, I really don't know how to pronounce it. Let me see.
Cuir Noir.
It says here that Cuir Noir showcases the raw material saffron accord, a spice with leather accents, and is described as a warm and addictive fragrance. The top notes are sandalwood, rose, coriander, nutmeg. Her notes are guaiawood, oud, and base notes vanilla and benzoins. And that's one of the reasons I got it, because I am sure this smells beautiful. I'm not going to open this right now because I'm planning to do a first impression video soon of this perfume. And let me see if this is an eau de parfum. Oh yeah, this is an eau de parfum, and it's the 100 ml bottle. This next box is from Max Aroma, and let me show you what I ordered from Max Aroma. Let me show you. I like the way Max Aroma pack their fragrances. Plus, I also love their shipping. They deliver really, really fast. They also added a sample. They usually do. What sample is this? This is from Atelier des Sources Blanc Polychrome. I don't know if it has white moss. It can smell like laundry soap. I don't like it. I really don't know. But I'm not going to smell it right now because I'm going to do the first impression of another fragrance, of another perfume that I have here. Let's see the perfume I ordered from Max Aroma. Miren qué bonito los envuelve. They wrap it really good, very protected. I'm a happy owner of Island Lush by Goldfield Banks. I've been wanting to get this fragrance. This is a new fragrance from Goldfield Banks Australia, and this is from the botanical series. This is called Island Lush, and I wanted to get it because it's supposed to be a sandalwood oriented or based fragrance. Sandalwood from the South Pacific, if I'm not mistaken. This is how it looks like, and I'm not gonna open it right now because I'm going to do a first impression. This is just the unboxing haul. Oh my god, I'm so happy I'm an owner of this fragrance. You know, I really like Goldfield Banks fragrances, but this is my second one. The first one smells really good, and I think now is the time to start wearing it again. I forgot the name now that I wanna say it, but this is my second one. I don't own so many. I only own that one. I'm gonna leave the picture here so you know. And this Island Lush. I can't wait to smell it. Let me tell you at least the notes on this fragrance. This is the 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 ml bottle. And this is a parfum. I think this is a parfum concentration. It's not an eau de parfum. It only says parfum. Parfum spray. The notes on this fragrance are sandalwood from the South Pacific, sandalwood from Australia, bergamot from Italy, pink pepper, nutmeg from Indonesia, ginger, geranium from Egypt, guaiawood from Paraguay, cedarwood from Texas, my state, patchouli from Indonesia, vetiver from Haiti, benzoin from Laos, and leather. You know, all these notes draw me to to purchase this perfume because I really love sandalwood and I want to smell the sandalwood on this fragrance. This fragrance is very promising to me. I hope I like it. I'm not going to spray it today because, like I said before, this was just the unboxing. It's just a taste or a sneak peek of what is coming soon. So we're gonna go to open the next box. This fragrance is from an Italian niche house. Let me show you. I bought this fragrance in a website that I don't know if it's here in the United States or in Europe or where it is, but I really don't like how this is packed because it's very loose, and when I received the box was extremely hot and it doesn't have enough packaging to protect the fragrance. So I'm gonna leave you the name of the company where I got it here, because I will probably email them or I don't know if they will see, they will watch my video, because I am really concerned about the way they pack their fragrances. Very simple and very unprotected. Like the fragrance is this. This is the fragrance. The box is very clumsy. Very, very soft. You see it opened by itself. And oh wow. And the packaging is also very simple as well. Can you see? It's torn, very light. I am really, really unhappy with the way they pack this fragrance. It's almost falling. And you know, and it was very hot, but I understand they cannot control the temperature of the truck. We are in spring, it's not that hot right now. But if the fragrance or the perfume is well packed, it doesn't get affected too much for the heat. But it was, like I show you here, like it's very concerning to me because these perfumes are expensive and you pay a lot of money, and if you pay a lot of money you expect the fragrance to be well packed, like I show you with the Max Aroma or with Fifth Avenue, or even with this is from Max Aroma or Lucky Scent or So Avant-Garde. They always pack the fragrances really well. That's why I like to do my unboxings. But this company, no, I think they need to improve on the way how they pack the perfumes they send to the customers. Oh my God, this box. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's upside down. Yeah. And this is the fragrance Dolce Passione from Pantheon Roma. And I do like the packaging a lot. Let's see if it's in good condition. Oh yes, wow. This is a 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. And this is a blind buy purchase. I never smell anything from this house. I took a great risk ordering this blindly. And this is an Extrait de Parfum. So I hope I like it, and we're gonna smell it right now. The cap is metallic and I like it. It's very heavy. And that is how it looks, the sprayer. The bottle is black with red accent. This is a nice catching bottle. It also comes with the brochure here in the bottom of the box. And let me see. Oh, this is the brochure. The fragrance house or the niche perfume house is called Pantheon Roma. The top notes on this perfume Dolce Passione It's honey and chocolate. The herb notes are cocoa, plum, strawberry, cherry, vanilla, and the base notes are vanilla, white musk. I hope I like it. It has white musk, and white musk is not my favorite note in perfumes. Truffle, tonka bean. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. An incredible concentration of seduction. Wow, they say this fragrance is very seductive and you can see the color. Ooh, I'm matching. Okay, let's smell. Oh, let's spray this fragrance and smell it. I'm gonna be spraying it on my skin since I am not wearing any fragrance today because I was waiting to spray and smell this fragrance for the first time. Oh, the sprayer is not that. Oh, wow. Chocolate at the first. Well, wow, when I first spray it, I can smell the chocolate. Wow, this fragrance is very potent. And I like it. Oh, wow. I'm in love. Seriously. Oh, now I can feel the stronger, I can feel the chocolate stronger. It's very seductive. That's true. Now that it's drying down on my skin, it's becoming really sexy. And to be honest, I don't feel the white musk at all. I am not a fan of the white musk on fragrances because they always become like laundry clean, like laundry soap on my skin. And this one this fragrance has white musk in it and I really don't feel it. I can only feel the sexiness of it. It's really good. I love it. The first impression on this fragrance is great. And I will say this will make a great gift to give to your loved one. I really don't know how this will smell on men, but I like it for women. But if you're a woman, you can give it a try. Maybe you can buy a sample first because I do really like it for me. I do really like this fragrance for women. It's like a chocolate fragrance. It's not a sour fragrance. It's sweet, but it's not a cloying sweet. It's very elegant in my opinion. And it's also very sexy. And that's it from Dolce Passione, and that's it for this video. I'm in love with this Pantheon Roma fragrance. Oh my God, it's so sexy. I'm so in love with this Dolce Passione. I will see you on my next video. Bye!